guys, it's Daisy here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So it is your girl Daisy giving you the makeup to your Halloween costume. So in today's video, as you could see by the title, we are going to be doing a Maleficent makeup tutorial. I'm pretty excited because y'all, I don't know if y'all know me, but like I said, hi, I'm Daisy. I am very extra. I can't just do like, you know, like if I'm going off of like a character or whatever, I can't just do my makeup how they do the makeup. I feel like I have to be extra, like add gems and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for this video. And I didn't say it, but this is Spooktorial season 3, episode 3. If you want to see my other Spooktorial seasons, that'll be linked down below. But anyways, let me stop rambling and let's get into this Maleficent makeup look. And if you want to see how I achieve it, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera. Yeah, so the next thing I'm gonna do is just eyeshadow. First things first, I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20. I'm just gonna blend that out with this Morphe sponge, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of this LA Colors pressed powder and just lightly dust that over my eyelids. Okay, so first I'm gonna take this Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage like powder foundation, which is what I usually use to like bronze, but I'm gonna use this as my crease shade today. So I'm gonna take that on a 330 brush, and I'm gonna put that on my outer corner, and then also bring it into my crease. I'm gonna be feathering it and winging it out like that. I'm also lightly bringing it to the inner corner of my eye. And I'm also like taking that and just going like in circles right here. Make sure that's really feathered out. It's also kind of giving like a shadow of like a really deep sunken eye, kind of, if that makes sense. I'm going to take the M441 brush, and I'm going to take that LA Colors pressed powder again and just make sure that is really blended out. And I'm going to take this Shade and Light eye palette, and I'm going to take second to last shade in that palette, and I'm going to take that on an M330 brush and put that on the outer corner as well and blend it into the crease. Okay, now I'm going to take this small little blending brush. I honestly don't remember where this brush came from. I think it came from like a Kylie Cosmetics palette or something like that. I'm going to put that on my outer corner and also lightly into the outer half of the crease. And instead of like blending it circular into the crease, I'm kind of blending it up. So I'm not like following the eyelid crease line. I'm bringing it up and kind of towards the brow. I'm taking the first shade in that Shade and Light palette and just making sure everything is nice and blended. Okay, and now I'm going to do a half cut crease, and I'm going to use the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20. And I'm going to take that on a M124 brush. Okay, now I'm going to take the white shade from the Shade and Light palette. I'm going to take that on this Morphe Chrome brush. It doesn't have a number or anything, but it's just like kind of like fluffy but also a little bit flat. And I'm going to take this small blending brush from Beard Cosmetics, and I'm going to take some more of that black from the palette and just kind of blend out that crease, or that lid shade, sorry. And on this small flat brush, I'm going to take this Maybelline compact that we use, and just make sure that the crease, like the cut crease, is like, I'm just going to basically lightly put that above the cut crease just to make sure you can see some color. And you see how like I kind of like cut it down the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna take that color there, and that's really just to bring the cut crease out some more and give it some dimension. I'm gonna cut the crease for the other eye. And now I'm gonna do some eyeliner. Okay guys, so when I was off camera, I just added like little crystals to my eyes, as you can see, and then I just did my foundation. It actually took quite a little bit of work because I had a foundation that wasn't really my color, so I had to fix it. But now we're back and we're gonna finish, like I'm gonna finish up and do all that good stuff with you guys. So first things first, I'm gonna conceal my under eyes with the Juvia's Place concealer. I'm also going to take a little bit of white from my CC Beauty palette and put that under my eye. I'm going to blend out my nose and my forehead and all that stuff, but I'm going to let my under eyes sit for a little bit. And I'm going to take this ABH Thick Foundation in Espresso. I'm going to contour with it. Now I'm going to start blending out my under eye, and when I take it over like here, I'm making sure to bring it like up. And just with the sponge that I kind of used to blend up my foundation, I'm just going to go around the edges just to make sure there's no sharp edges. I'm going to take that ABH Stick Foundation again. I think I'm also going to add a little bit more white from the CC Beauty palette under my eyes, just so, you know what I mean, it's more bright. From the CC Beauty palette, I'm going to take some of this brown and mix it in with a little bit of this black. Now I'm going to set under my eyes with the Airspun powder. Now I'm going to take the Airspun powder e.l.f. contouring brush. I'm going to go under contour to sharpen it. I'm also going to take it and just go right over top of it, kind of where we, like where the under eye concealer ends. Do a sharp line. And I'm blending it like up and into it. And then under it I'm doing blending down. And now while that is kind of like baking, I'm just gonna take this Real Technique stippling brush and just go in circles just to kind of like buff out the contour a little bit. So for my under eye, I'm just gonna take this BH Cosmetics number 10 brush on that Maybelline powder that we've been using. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Maybelline Super Stay again on this like angled fluffy brush and just connect it on my nose to my eyeshadow crease and just bring that down my nose. To me, this look is about very strong like contouring and stuff like that. I made my nose look crooked, so hold on. So if it looks like I'm trying to do really strong contour, it's because I am because I feel like that's kind of like point. I know she doesn't really have it, but I can't go without highlighter, so I'm gonna take the Juvia's Place highlighter and put it on that where I put that white shadow on my nose. Get this bow. Okay guys, so as you can see, I had to kind of do like a wider screen so you could see my little horn. So I made these they're kind of high, but I think they're really cute, and I just did a red lip. So to tell you guys what I did, I just took these two NYX liquid suede lipstick, and I took Cherry Skies and like did it on the outer corner, I mean like lined my lips with it, and then I took Kitten Heels and put that all over my lip. So yeah, this is the finished Maleficent look. Let me know what you guys think down below. I think I like love it. I think I did a really good job. Honestly, I'm just a little bit biased because I did it, but I think it's so cute. I was a little bit nervous. Oh, also I made like my little edges into like a little, you know, triangle or whatever. Yeah, I was a little bit nervous because of like all the contouring and all that stuff I was doing. I was like, honestly, in person it probably looks kind of crazy, but on camera it looks so good. And honestly, like, it's giving Snatched. It's giving Snatched. Yeah, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it because I definitely love the end results and I never want to take it off. This is the eye look. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you want to recreate this look or you just want to follow me on my other social medias, all that good stuff is on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below. This is episode 3. This is Spooktorial season 3 episode 3. So if you want to see the other 2 episodes in this Spooktorial series, or Spooktorial season 3, Spooktorial season 1, Spooktorial season 2, take a shot every time I say Spooktorial, all that good stuff is in the description down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I feel like I can't stop looking at myself because I think it's so cute. Like what? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Stay spooky. Like y'all ain't messing with me. Period.